Here's how you can fix Google Meet on your iPad. Let me talk about it. If you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything, and let's get started. So there are more ways which could go wrong with the app. So the most common way to fix it would be to look it up inside of the App Store and just literally just type into the search Meet as such. And if there is an update available, you want to click on the update button so you actually download the latest version. So you can see mostly with the new version history, there are the bug fixes and performance improvements. So a lot of times, if there is something wrong with the app, it could be just a bug which gets fixed with a software update. But other than that, there are more reasons why it may not work properly. For example, when you check out the settings and go to the apps and find a Meet right here, you can see that there are things which you need to enable. For example, the camera access or microphone access, for example, the contacts as well, right? So there are these things which you might expect to work properly, like you get inside of your Meet or you join it through a link and you expect the microphone to work, but if it's not enabled here, it's simply not going to function. So, these other things are going to be important as well. But other than that, it's likely that you need to just perhaps play around with the app to get the functionality that you need. Like you want to make sure that once you join the meeting that everything works out fine, and that you, of course, have the camera ready and all of those things. So yeah, let me know if there is anything very specific that's going on with your iPad and if we can actually fix it. So let me know what's going on. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.